All right, in this demonstration video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create earth tones by mixing complementary colors. And again, complementary colors are any two colors on the color wheel that are directly opposite from each other. And every single color, whether it's a primary, secondary, or tertiary, has an opposite, has a complementary color. For this activity, we're going to be focusing on 3 complementary pairs though, and those are the ones that include the primary colors and their opposites. And their opposite is always a secondary color when you're looking at a primary complementary. Okay, so in this demo, we're working with acrylic paints and we're painting on mixed media paper. So you can pull out your mixed media sketch pad. And you can flip to a clean page, or if you like, you can snap it off. And again, the nice thing about the mixed media pads is oftentimes they're perforated, so it's very easy to remove a sheet. Okay, and again, we want 3 charts with 5 equal spaces. So we're going to take our ruler and use the inches side. Okay, measure from 0 to 5, and then just trace the width of the ruler. And then leave a little bit of a space. Do another one. And a third one. Okay, and now we're going to divide it into 5 sections. So every inch, roughly, you're going to mark. And then divide. Okay, so here we're going to point upwards and we're going to say in these charts we're mixing complementary colors to create earth tones. Okay, which we can also call neutrals or neutral colors. And beside each one, we're going to draw 2 small circles where we'll test out putting those complementary pairs smack next to each other in their most saturated purest form to see how much they can make each other pop. And when you have a color in position where it's close to its complementary color and the two are making each other pop, there's the idea that there's a lot of contrast, a lot of tension, and a lot of difference. Okay, and again, they are a color and the color most different to them. That's why they make each other stand out, because they're so different. There's no color that's more different than a yellow than a violet, or no color more different than a green than a red, okay, according to how they're created. So here we'll point downwards and we'll say when they are fully saturated, they create contrast. Similar to the note that we made in the last one, we just summed it up here. Okay, So this again is kind of your blank outline for earth tones. And then in the next video, we'll start to fill it in with our acrylic paints.